We can disagree about a lot of things, we can like and care about different things. But one thing is constant among all living beings. That is how important our health is. I can guarantee you that no human thinks about his health and goes, "Oh, that's not important." It's the reason why the health industry is worth $6.3 trillion, yes trillion. It's the most profitable industry on planet Earth, and we found a way to ethically exploit it to make hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every single day. And not just any traffic, I'm talking about traffic that converts into money like this. We just select a name, maybe pick a few colors if we want, and within seconds, Healix AI gives us ready-to-profit health websites. That comes packed with hundreds of features. Features like BMI tracker, calorie calculators, customizable diet plans, mood trackers, AI-powered symptom checkers, mental health support, sleep journals, and tons more. All of that without us coding or designing anything. It's the perfect trifecta, and it's all possible with the power of AI. And if you think you need experience in the medical field to make Healix AI work for you, you are wrong, my friend. Since our AI does all the work for us, you can rest assured that all the work is done for you. Hey, my name is Anjani, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Healix AI. The world's first AI engine gives us ready-to-profit health websites without us doing any work. Each time we create a new website, we get payments like this. No matter what you do online, Healix AI will work for you. It works for affiliate marketers, product owners, e-com store owners, coaches, blog writers, even local businesses providers. I'm sure you're wondering how much it's going to cost you. Probably a lot, right? Well, we originally planned on charging $397 per month for Healix AI. And that's fair pricing, considering how much you're going to make with it. But we get it, that's a lot of money to start with. And you probably worked hard the past couple of years and got little to no results. We understand how frustrating that can be. That's why we're going to offer you Healix AI at an unheard of discount. You can get access to Healix AI, the same price as a cheap dinner. You will get instant access to the same system we use to make six figures every month despite the global recession. Not only that, but if you took action right now, you will also get access to exclusive bonus packages designed specifically to supercharge your results with Healix AI. Because we want to give each of our customers the care and support they require to succeed. We are keeping the number of available accounts limited. Once it's gone, the price will increase. And by the way, you're protected by our 365 money-back guarantees. So if for any reason you didn't love Healix AI, just send us a message and we will happily refund every penny you paid. Click on the button below and I will see you inside.